we have some priorities in our life. We are studying here in Unisel. Some are doing engineering, some other faculties, some are doing whatever they want. But our parents, they are spending money on us. And our priority is here to study. That's what we think, because we are spending. And we don't think that Islam is our priority, Deen is our priority. Because of what? Because of the environment. You guys will see that you are in the mosque, your Iman is increasing right now. You will go back to your block, don't come to Fajr prayer, you will see your Iman will decrease. What is that? This is the environment, because this environment you are not getting.